Tired of project management feeling like herding cats? Well, get ready to transform chaos into clarity because in the next minute, we're diving into MondiCom, your new best friend for project organization. First things first, let's set up your workspace if you're new. MondiCom will guide you through this process. You can create different workspaces for different departments or types of projects. Click on the workspace icon to create a new workspace if required. Now, the heart of MondiCom boards. To create a new board, click Add and then New Board. You can start from scratch, or, even better, choose a template. There are tons of pre-built templates for everything from project tracking to event planning. Let's pick a simple project management template to get started. Time to customize your board. Rename the groups to match the stages of your project like to do, in progress, and completed. Then, tailor the columns. You can add columns for things like assignee, due date, status, and even a priority rating. Assigning tasks is super easy. Simply click the person column and select the team member responsible. Set due dates by clicking the date column and choosing the date from the calendar. This keeps everyone on the same page. Want to automate repetitive tasks? Click the automate button. MondiCom lets you create automations like when status changes to done, move item to completed group. This saves you time and effort. Browse the pre-made automations or customize your own with ease. Finally, let's talk integrations. MondiCom connects with tons of other tools you already use, like Slack, Google Drive, and even Zoom. Connect your accounts to streamline your workflow and centralize all your project information. And that's it. You're well on your way to mastering MondiCom for project management. So, ditch the chaos and embrace the clarity. Happy organizing.